butterfly with colors to glide. C is for cow, so gentle and sweet. D is for dog with paws and quick feet. E is for elephant, big and so strong. F is for flamingo, dancing all day long. G is for giraffe, reaching up high. H is for horse, galloping by. I is for iguana, basking in sun. J is for jaguar, sleek when it runs. K is for kangaroo, jumping so fast. L is for lion, a king built to last. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for newt, as small as can be. O is for ostrich, running so free. P is for penguin, waddling with glee. Q is for quail, hiding in grass. R is for rabbit, hopping so fast. S is for snake, silent and sly. T is for tiger with a powerful stride. U is for uriel with horns in a twist. V is for vulture, soaring in mist. W is for wolf, howling so loud. X is for x-ray fish, glowing so proud. Y is for yak, fluffy and grand. Z is for zebra with stripes so grand. From A to Z, the animals cheer.